You okay? You lose a toe?
No, just, I got wet. Oh, lashed me. I want to be on Facebook.
Come down a little bit. Yeah. Let me push this down. Oh, it's gone. Very good. All the bugs out here are like, what the fuck? This is a great living space. Uh-oh. Yeah, there it goes. It's out. Yeah. It's all over this dock. The first one? Oh, we had good rain tonight.
Yeah, gosh, I remember the first time we put this thing up with.
Of course, Bob used to have to hold it that
Yeah.
whole time. Now he just lifts it up and he's done. Of course, he's not as young as he used to be, so he needs labor-saving devices.
He still looks good though, that's all that matters.
Yeah. It's more important than look good.
That's right.